Hello, I'm MrJWW, and I know this is a pretty weird place to start a video, but today I'm looking to do something entirely different, which is why we're gonna film this video completely on a drone camera. Now, the star of the show today is of course the brand new Mercedes C-Klasse behind me. So without further ado, pilot, start her up, let's check out this car. So this is an awesome experience for me, which means I get to share with you not only the incredible scenery, but these amazing roads. Now I've had the pleasure and honor of driving roads all around the world. Mercedes have brought me here to southern Spain, and never did I expect to find roads as good as these. It's amazing for driving. You would be amazed at how well this thing handles. It just sort of glides along the road, but still gives you wonderful feedback when you're working your way through the corners. It really is a great experience. And there you have it. That is my time with the new Mercedes-Benz C-Klasse. This thing is so much fun to drive, particularly when you're on roads like this. As always, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Ciao.